Hey, it's Rick here. Well, this is about day 48 or 49 of the Corona lockdown here, but we got to haul junk. So Eric's coming by with the old Dodge truck that we did a video on recently, and we're going to load up some of this debris here, and I got a bunch of debris over here on the side of the house. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. Hope the wind's not too noisy for you, but flowers are blooming. Irises, the wind hasn't tore them down yet. There's a little glory bloom over there. And we gotta come around here to the side of the house, and we're gonna have to load up all of this junk over here. Finally got that master bedroom project done, so we gotta load up all this stuff and take all that too. So while we're out here, we'll just go see how the hops are doing. Those things were starting to vine the other day, or bind, I should say. Yeah, I believe. Looky there, they're starting to climb up them. That's what I wanted them to do. And that is the crystal. This is the nugget. Looks like we got another little one coming up there. They're not up quite tall enough. And then this is the cascade. It just never has come up, so I don't know what's going on with that one. But, I don't see it, so anyway, okay, show you more. Just pull up right here. That's good. That's good. Rev her up one time. Okay. I think the speed limit's 25. I'm really on 40. Well, I think that's just about reckless driving. I think you only have to take classes once in a while when you get reckless driving. So.
I don't have any priors.
Oh, well, then you'll be alright then. Alright, I'll show you more when we get to the dump. Well, I think we got about 6 minutes before they shut the gate. We might make it. I see it coming up here. drive up on the scale and then wait for them to turn the green light on. So. Burned out. Yeah, I don't know where they're. Arrow. Oh yeah, go on up the hill. Okay. Last time I was in here, it was over there. So yeah, you better wait for that. That a big old dude coming down out of there. Gosh, this thing has really filled in over the years. I mean, this was like a valley. Yeah. I mean, really, seemed like it went clear over to the state forest. I don't know if it did, but...
Yeah, I mean, the last time I was here 6 years ago, it's already filled up a lot more. Bigger than it was. Don't take low.
No? Well, at least it ain't muddy up here. The road sure stinks. That unloaded. Yeah, that's a whopper pile of scrap metal there. I'd like to have the money that. Well, right now scrap metal's only $30 a ton, but gosh, this time last year I think it was $100 a ton. It's really down.
Yeah. What for? It's the coronavirus?
I don't know if it's the coronas or what. I guess they don't make scrap metal, need scrap metal to make Coronas.
I've been thinking about.
It looks clear this way, but you never know coming over that hill, so.
We can do a big burn now.
In third gear, there we go. All right, we're in high now. Up in here in town and get some gas. It is a thirsty machine. Good afternoon, Otwell.
Otwell, Indiana.
The Otwell Sunoco. I don't know if you have to have a mask on to go in here. I don't know. You'll have to find out.
I hope not.
I don't have one either. That Sunoco over in Jasper, they make you take a blue paper towel and put over your face if you go in there. I just stood at the door and hollered at him. I wasn't planning on going in. So. Oh, well, whatever. Here's that $10. Oh, you got the $10?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you done it now. You shut it off.
Huh?
You shut it off now. Well, you can go in there and give them $10 if that's what you want to do.
What pump is this?
Number 2. Yeah, they must have done something. I heard that pump beat.
Yeah. I thought the police were going to come. You're supposed to wear a mask and then...
Oh, see, I think all the Sunoco stations, that must be a Sunoco thing.
I'm not a ninja.
Well, I didn't see that other gal have a mask on when she was in there.
It's over on the side door. You can't go in that door.
Oh.
I don't even know what it is.
Well, yeah, they've got... And you tell me what good it does to have multiple doors that you got to go in and out of, and then you can only go in one? I mean, is it...
How about one that's just a wall?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't get it. I'm just more intelligent than that.
This will give us about a quarter of a tank.
Well, that'll get us back to Jasper. What is it, 20 miles?
Yeah.
Well, looks like we got the mail carrier up here pulling over. I wonder how many people sanitize their mail when they bring it into the house. They're all sitting around with their masks on, but I bet you they don't sanitize their mail before they bring it in with gloves and all that. Because some of them experts are trying to say that that stuff will live on paper and cardboard for anywhere from 2 minutes to 5 days. So, you know, you just don't really know.
It's a pretty wide spectrum.
Yeah, it's a wide, that's a big, well, that's about right.
Experts, you say?
Well, that's, you know,
Corona.
CNN and Facebook, that's the experts, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you need to put some of them kicker boxes in here like you had in that old GMC truck you had when you was in high school.
Yeah. I think I'm close enough to the steering wheel as it is.
Yeah, you'd have to get right up.
I'd be driving like this.
Yeah, that's what happened. Alright, here we go. We're almost home now. Uh-oh. Them people ain't 6 feet apart. Well, they might be. Yeah, I guess they are. They're practicing social distancing. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I think them's all family members there. Well, I don't know, maybe not. So you can be within 6 foot of your family members, but you can't be within 6 foot of non-family members.
Really, so you can go out and work, talk to everybody else, come home to your family, and not have to be 6 feet.
Yeah, no, you can be right on top of each other.
Oh, well, hell. Makes sense.
Well, that's what the experts say. Here we go. This guy's just gonna walk out in front of everybody. Well, at least he's working. Well, here we are at the famous four-way stop.
I better stop.
Yeah, you better stop.
This guy records.
All right, guys. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Share this with everybody. We're still trying to get up to 100 subscribers. We're up to 75. So we need to get 25 more, and we're going to do that drawing for a $100 gift card to Home Depot. So, see you later. Bye. I think I'm just gonna get the Corona.